Every label tells a story. Behind each printed date lies a promise of freshness, safety, and trust. Expiration dates are more than numbers. They are signals guiding us through the life cycle of food. They remind us that food, like time itself, is finite. Today, we'll explore the many kinds of food expiration dates, what they mean and why they matter, not just for our health, but for our understanding of how food connects us to time, to nature, and to each other. Sell-by dates guide retailers, not consumers. They mark how long a product should stay on display. Milk may still be safe afterward if refrigerated properly, but stores rely on this date to ensure customers always find the freshest products. It's about logistics, inventory control, and maintaining trust. The sell-by date is the invisible hand of the food supply chain, quietly shaping what we see on the shelves. Best before dates are about quality, not safety. Foods remain edible after this date, but their flavor, texture, and nutritional value may decline. The crunch of cereal may soften, pasta may lose firmness, and canned goods may taste slightly dull. Best before is a guideline for peak enjoyment, a gentle reminder that food, like memories, can fade with time, still present but not quite as vibrant as before. Use-by dates are critical for safety. Perishable foods like dairy, meat, and ready-to-eat meals must be consumed before this date. Afterward, bacteria can grow to unsafe levels, even if the food looks fine. Unlike best before, this is a hard deadline, the boundary between nourishment and danger. It reminds us that unseen forces, microscopic and silent, can change food in ways our senses cannot detect. Expiration dates mark the last day a product is guaranteed safe and effective. Found on baby formula, supplements, and frozen goods, they ensure nutritional value and safety. For vulnerable consumers, infants, the elderly, or those with weakened immunity, these dates are critical safeguards. They are not suggestions, but promises with an end point. In them, we see the balance between science and trust, between nourishment and risk. The manufacture date shows when the product was made, not when it will spoil. Bread baked on May 20 might be best within 3 to 5 days, depending on storage. It's the beginning of the food's journey, the moment it entered the world. From that point, time begins to tick. Every loaf, every jar, every package has a birthday, and from that birthday, its life begins to fade. Some foods are stable until sealed, but once exposed to air, they spoil quickly. The open date guideline protects against mold and bacterial contamination. Tomato sauce may last months unopened, but only a week once opened. This date reminds us that freshness changes once the seal is broken, that food, like time, is fragile once exposed. It's a lesson in vulnerability. Once opened, protection is gone and the countdown begins. From milk cartons to sauce jars, expiration dates are more than numbers. They are promises, balancing safety, quality, and convenience. They remind us that food has a life cycle and that careful attention ensures both health and enjoyment. Every expiration is also a reminder. Savor the present, respect the time each food is given, and honor the trust between producer and consumer. In every kitchen, on every shelf, these dates quietly guide us, protecting our health, preserving our meals, and reminding us that nothing lasts forever. And yet, in that reminder, there is wisdom. Endings are natural, but with care, every meal can be a moment worth remembering.